question, Shalom Kodoha. Question about honoring parents. Is one obligated to honor parents financially, assuming both kids and parents can afford average living?
So this it's not honor the parents. It's respect to the parents. That's how mitzvah calls. No, it does not involve any money. So the Gemara says that how you should you're obligated to honor your parents by giving them food. I mean, their own food. You just bring over the food and the food, drink, and escort them. So if they need to be taken to a doctor's office, to outside, inside, whatever, shopping, whatever they need to do. So that's it. So if they can pay for their shopping, absolutely they should pay. It's not going to be considered tzedakah, for sure not. So all of this tzedakah, that's very good part. Whatever we learned today when we said parents, we said poor parents, poor. So an example that I gave, you have poor parents and you have other poor people. So parents just got into category of poor people, period. So of course they have precedence over other people. But if they live normally, so you're not allowed to. If you want to give them gifts, nobody's stopping you, but not from Maaser. Maaser goes to poor people, to other people, as we're going to discuss later on. But from your own, you can give money to your children, to whoever you want. You want to give gifts to your parents, you can give gifts to other parents. There's no problem. Nobody's stopping you. But not from Maaser.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So again, it is a gift. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.